Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am working on, this is the new timer. He does not want it in the front yard. So you can see I had already ran the wires for the box around the other and the other side. The old pipe used to go across this line right here. So we're gonna make this nice and clean, paint it, and this will be covered with a mulch. So right now I'm working on, this was here before. This is a new cover I put on here. Nice, clean, waterproof. It's got the little rubber on the inside so it can pop out when you plug something in. But what I want to show you here is that this is a 3/4 thread inside here, and this right here I had put a screw inside. Let me take, because this top part right here is 3/4, this part down here is 1/2 inch, and what I needed was, I wanted to put in this is 3/4, but the bottom of it is so that I can connect this rubber hosing onto it. So I needed the 3/4 part. So what I had to do was, I couldn't get this 3/4 part out. So I put the 1/2 inch piece in, and then I screwed a self-driving metal screw into both of them, and then unspun it out. So that is one of the best ways to get these out. If you get it stuck in there, I put some WD-40 on there too to help out a little bit. I did try using one of these, which is a tool for landscaping, but as you can see, it was just eating away at this. These are for plastic, not metal. I'm trying to get metal out. So what this is it goes inside, and it actually digs into the side of the plastic, so it makes an indent, and then when you twist it out, it'll come out. But it didn't work for the metal, so that's fine. I got this out anyways. But that is just a little tip on how to get out a threaded piece that is stuck inside of that. Okay, so it's all finished. You can see it's nice and clean there. This is the power from here goes into there, and then it's spliced and reconnected, and it goes along the bottom. And then I have the low voltage lights. These will all be covered with the mulch, and it comes all the way down here. I have one extra one sitting here. This is just in case there are some extra lights for whatever reason that want to be added. And this one right here is going to be for the south side. I just don't have the lights yet for that. You can see I zip tied this. This is for the drip system, going to go up on the patio. So that is going to be separate, and it will come over here, cover up those wires, and then I'll be drilling another hole through there. I'm going to be taking this out, so it doesn't matter if I drill into that, because I'm going to be building a wood gate right here, so that doesn't matter. You can see everything's nice and clean. This is a T right here. You can see down is a T because the wires for the valves, which are these two, come up through the T, and then they follow the wires through here. Then you come on this side. You can see here I have another one of the waterproof covers, which are great. You can see all the wires, a little zip tied a little bit. And this is the 600 watt transformer. And then here is going to be where the plug is. This is going to be for the drip and sprinkler system. So that's what that's for. So I don't have that yet. I gotta pick that up tomorrow.